Hi, this is Rajesh. In this video today I am going to unbox and review Samsung S20 FE 5G phone. I got this from a Samsung shop website for rupees 37,000 rupees. It is also available in Amazon to that price. I am going to unbox this phone and give you a full review. It comes beautifully with Samsung cover. I'm going to open this box. This is lovely piece, Samsung S20 FE 5G phone. Let's see what's there in the box. Here, the phone, Samsung made in India. Comes with the matte finish. This is the phone. Then what else in the box? Have a look at. It comes with the 2 amp of output, 15 watt charger. This phone supports 25 watt fast charging, but they have provided only 15 watt charger. This Type A to Type C cable. Invoice bill has been provided in the box. I got this for 36,990. I'm going to do a first time setup, then I'm going to review this phone. This is Samsung S20 FE 5G edition phone. It comes with the Snapdragon 865 SoC. I got this sky blue color variant. Let's see what's there. You can see here noise cancellation, microphone hole. I got this variant of 8GB sub RAM and 128GB sub internal memory. Let's remove the cover. Back portion of this phone in sky blue color looks amazing, and it comes with a matte finish, non-metallic plastic one. Positioning of the camera well placed in the rear side of this phone. This phone is made in India. You can see here in the bottom the speaker grill, the C-type port, main speaker and main microphone in the right side. That's all, nothing else. No 3.5mm jack. Then you have to use only C-type earphone to listen to music. Left edge of this phone has got nothing. It cleanly finished. You won't see anything here. Top of this phone you can see here the SIM tray. This is hybrid SIM tray. You can either use 2 SIMs or 1 SIM and a SD card. This is noise cancellation microphone. In the right side you can see one main camera, one ultra wide camera, and then photo lensing camera. In this side of this phone you can see here the power button and the volume up and down button. Also you can set these buttons to multifunction in the settings. You got to see on-screen fingerprint scanner in this phone. It comes with the Samsung One UI interface, the app driver and home screen. You can be very familiar if you are a Samsung user. I like the display of this phone, which comes 6.5-inch Super AMOLED with 120 Hz of refresh rate display. Gives you very good viewing experience on the screen. Also this phone has got stereo speakers, so you can really experience cinematic while watching pictures, movies in this phone. Let's watch one of my YouTube video. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಈ ಒಂದು ಎರ್ಗಾನಮಿಕ್ ಚೇರ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಅನ್ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದು ಅಮೆಜಾನ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂದ ಸಾಲಿಮೋ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂದ ಅಮೆಜಾನ್. Processor of this phone supports LPDDR5 RAM. This is a Snapdragon 865 processor with 7 nanometers, having 8 cores, and Qualcomm Adreno 650 GPU. This phone has got a Super AMOLED 6.5-inch screen with a resolution of 1080 into 2400 pixels, 2.5D curved glass screen, Cornell Gorilla Glass 3 Infinity O display placed in that wall, 32 megapixel front camera. Other features of this phone, it supports always on display, 20Hz refresh rate and HDR10 plus, and it has got almost all sensors, proximity sensor, light sensor, accelerometer, compass, gyroscope, barometer sensor, geomagnetic Hall sensor, in-display optical fingerprint sensor, and the rear camera sensors used in this phone are ISO cell type higher end camera sensor. Rear camera of this phone has got 12 megapixel main camera as well as 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera and 8 megapixel telephoto sensor up to 30 into x zoom. This phone also got IP68 rating, so you can take this phone with you wherever you want without worrying about the rain and water locked places. This phone camera has got ISO stabilization, so it takes good pictures without blur effect. While shooting you get free from shaky videos. Here you can watch the performance of this camera inside the room in indoor lighting. Here we can see that no noise is been found in the low lighting also. Recording full HD 30 frames per second. Full HD 60 frames per second. 4K 30 frames per second. ,4K 60 frames per second. This phone's camera is very good for vlogging and shooting in low light conditions, so you cannot find any noise and you can get better video qualities in indoor conditions, so it is very good for shooting videos in indoor environment. Outdoor vlogging shooting with this phone's camera is very easy to shoot better videos. The optical image stabilization, this camera shoots better videos while walking and running. You don't get shaky videos. This phone is future proof, supporting 9 5G bands. So I got this for 37,000 rupees in Deepavali sales. This is a good phone to have in the flagship range. This is it in this video. If you like this video, like and share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell icon to get new notifications of my videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Signing up.